just getting news from Chandigarh, but there's high drama outside a counting centre. Congress workers staged a protest because the results were not being declared. It's a very close contest, even as we speak, between the Congress and the BJP. Manish Tiwari from the Congress and Sanjay Tandon from the BJP. Now, the Congress is saying that there is some tampering happening with the results. Let's go straight across to my colleague Amandeep, who's joining us from there. Amandeep, over to you. Is Manish Tiwari also at the spot? What are the allegations and why?
Well, absolutely, Padmaja. All are in, including Manish Tiwari, Sanjay Tandon. They all are inside the counting center, and in fact, the Congress is putting up the allegations that 15 rounds of the counting has been completed, but still Election Commission is not rolling out the results, and they are putting up the reasons. And on the other side, the BJP is continuously pressing for the recountings and mentioning some kind of errors. So here you can see we are just outside the counting center, Padmaja, and see these are all the Congress workers, supporters, leaders. They are sitting here since morning and in fact waiting for the results to be out. But so far the results are not out, and even both the candidates are inside. Manish Tiwari including Sanjay Tandon, they both are inside. 15 round of counting has been completed, but the Congress is now putting up allegations that the episode of Chandigarh mayor polls might not repeated here. So some of the Congress people are here. We will try to speak to them also. So what are the allegations? Why you are staging protest and what all is happening inside?
Sir, actually, we have zero confidence in the administration right now. What has happened in the last 6 months is repeating itself. This is the worry for our Congress workers who have put in the hard work today. For the past 45 days, they have done it, and they are not giving a valid reason why there is a delay in that. So,
but BJP is asking for the recounting due to some errors, due to some objections.
Actually, every of their counting agent has signed the form where they has said there is no problem in the vote count of the machines. What is the problem right now? They should clarify. If not, at least they should clarify to stop the rumor mongering that is happening amongst the workers.
But your candidate is also inside. So what's the problem? He's also inside. Your polling agents are also inside. Office bearers are also inside. So why this protest? Don't you believe that they are not doing the justice?
So actually, whatever happening inside, we don't know, because they can, seeing the mayor elections, what happened, anything can happen. The democracy in Chandigarh is not safe, so we don't want that should be repeated again. So we're trying to protest here, and we want justice.
We will, Padmaja, Chandigarh Congress President is also here. We will try to speak to them. Sir, what all is happening? आप बताइए क्या हो रहा है अंदर? So, see, he's Chandigarh Congress President and he's also inside. Though, Padmaja, there is a heavy security deployment on the gate of counting center, and in fact the paramilitary is also deployed. SSP Chandigarh she herself is on the spot to maintain the situation, but Congress workers and the leaders are sitting outside, and in fact they are waiting. They are putting up the allegations on the BJP. So see, this is it's almost Padmaja 5:30 has been crossed in the evening, and even almost 3 hours has passed when the 15th round of, that means the last round of counting has been completed, and with the result that came out, almost 2,500 plus votes was the lead of Manish Tiwari. But from then till now, the official results has not been declared, and in fact the Congress is alleging that they are trying to delay the process, and BJP is pressing for the recounting. So this is the situation in Chandigarh, Padmaja. That is both Manish Tiwari and Sanjay Tandon, they both are inside the counting center.